Welcome to Holistic Health Haven. Today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of fenugreek, an ancient herb. This unassuming spice is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Ready to unlock the amazing benefits of fenugreek and incorporate it into your daily routine? Keep watching. Let's break down why fenugreek is a nutritional rock star. This humble plant, often used in traditional dishes, is packed with a variety of nutrients that can significantly boost your health. Both the seeds and leaves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. These tiny seeds and vibrant leaves are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a wide range of health benefits. Fenugreek is a fantastic source of vitamin B6 and folate, crucial for energy production and brain health. Vitamin B6 plays a vital role in cognitive development and function, while folate is essential for DNA synthesis and repair. These B vitamins convert food into usable energy, keeping you vibrant and alert. Imagine having a natural energy booster that helps you stay active throughout the day. Fenugreek is loaded with antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals linked to aging and diseases. Antioxidants are crucial in protecting your cells from damage and maintaining overall health. By incorporating fenugreek into your diet, you're giving your body an extra layer of defense. Whether you add it to your meals or take it as a supplement, fenugreek can enhance your diet and improve your health. Whether in salads or tea, fenugreek nourishes your body with a potent blend of nutrients. Its versatility makes it easy to include in various dishes, ensuring you get its benefits in a delicious way. Fenugreek's ability to regulate blood sugar levels is impressive. It improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body use glucose for energy. Studies show fenugreek enhances insulin sensitivity, preventing sugar spikes. This makes it valuable for managing blood sugar levels naturally. Incorporating fenugreek into your diet could be a game changer for blood sugar balance. Always consult your doctor, especially if you're on diabetes medication. No one likes dealing with digestive discomfort. Whether it's bloating, gas, or just a general feeling of unease, it can really put a damper on your day. Fenugreek's high fiber content acts like a superhero in your gut, promoting regular bowel movements. This fiber helps to bulk up your stool and make it easier to pass, reducing constipation. It also contains mucilage, a gel-like substance that soothes and protects your digestive tract. This can help to reduce inflammation and irritation, making your gut feel more comfortable. This can be incredibly helpful for heartburn or indigestion. Mucilage forms a protective layer in your stomach, which can prevent acid from causing discomfort. By incorporating fenugreek into your diet, you're supporting healthy digestion. You can add it to soups, stews, or even sprinkle it on salads for an extra boost. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. When your digestion is running smoothly, you feel more energetic and your skin can even look better. Fenugreek promotes a balanced gut microbiome. A healthy microbiome is essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients effectively. Say goodbye to digestive discomfort with fenugreek. Make it a part of your daily routine and enjoy the benefits of a happier, healthier gut. For breastfeeding mothers, fenugreek can help increase milk supply. It's been used for centuries as a natural galactagogue. Fenugreek contains compounds that mimic hormones involved in milk production. This can be a game changer for mothers struggling with low milk supply. Consult with your doctor or a lactation consultant before adding fenugreek to your diet. Fenugreek can support your weight management journey. Its fiber promotes feelings of fullness, preventing overeating. Fenugreek also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and cravings. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for weight management. Incorporating fenugreek into your diet supports healthy digestion and balanced blood sugar levels. This can contribute to a healthier weight over time. Fenugreek enhances your natural beauty from the inside out. Its antioxidants fight off free radicals, maintaining skin elasticity and reducing fine lines. Fenugreek's anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated or acne-prone skin. It can calm redness, reduce inflammation, and fight acne-causing bacteria. Fenugreek promotes hair growth and strengthens hair follicles. The nutrients in fenugreek nourish the scalp and strengthen hair shafts. Chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our health. Fenugreek's anti-inflammatory properties combat inflammation throughout the body. These properties are attributed to compounds like flavonoids and saponins. Fenugreek can reduce inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis and eczema. Incorporating fenugreek into your diet can help alleviate pain and improve quality of life. Let's dive into practical ways to incorporate fenugreek into your daily routine. Start your day with a warm cup of fenugreek tea. Lightly crush a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and add to boiling water. Let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey or lemon juice for extra flavor. Fenugreek tea is delicious and soothing for your digestive system. Pamper your hair with a nourishing fenugreek hair mask. Soak a few tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Blend the softened seeds into a smooth paste. Add yogurt for hydration and nourishment. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, leave for 30 minutes, then rinse. Enjoy soft, shiny and revitalized hair. Fenugreek adds a burst of flavor to your favorite dishes. Fenugreek seeds are a staple in Indian cooking, adding warmth and earthiness. They're often roasted and ground into a powder. Fenugreek leaves, or methi, are used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. Add them to stir-fries, soups or stews. Try adding fenugreek seeds to rice for a subtle nutty flavor. Fenugreek sprouts are a fun and easy way to incorporate more fenugreek into your diet. They are not only nutritious, but also add a delightful crunch to your meals. Start by rinsing a few tablespoons of fenugreek seeds thoroughly in a bowl. This helps to remove any impurities. Then soak them in a bowl of water overnight. The seeds will absorb the water and begin to swell. The next morning, drain and rinse the seeds again using a sieve. Make sure to remove all excess water. Place the rinsed seeds in a warm, dark place, such as a cupboard, to encourage sprouting. It's important to rinse the seeds twice a day to keep them moist and to prevent mold from forming. This regular rinsing will help the seeds to sprout more effectively. Within a day or two, you'll start to see tiny sprouts emerging from the seeds. This is a sign that the seeds are germinating and turning into nutritious sprouts. Once the sprouts have grown to your desired length, you can add them to a variety of dishes. They make a great addition to salads, sandwiches or wraps, providing a nutritional boost and a fresh, crunchy texture. Fenugreek brings healthy rewards to your body. From boosting milk production to balancing blood sugar levels and enhancing beauty, it deserves a place in your pantry. Experiment with different ways to incorporate it into your diet, like share and subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and embrace the power of nature.